welcome back to Sun and Kids. Today we are going to be making pizza. Just for the recap, I'm Ikra
and I'm Saba.
So, for this recipe, you're going to be needing 1.5 teaspoons of dry yeast,
1.5 teaspoon of brown sugar, or any sugar that you have except icing sugar.
You're going to be needing 1 teaspoon of salt,
1.5 tablespoon of olive oil.
You're going to be needing 1 1/8 cups of water. So what you have to do is stir all the ingredients together, then let it stand for 15 minutes. Once it's done, you're going to be seeing a layer of foam on it, or you'll see a thin layers. So let's get started! This is the results after 15 minutes. It's actually longer. But now we have to add 3 cups of flour and knead it together.
And after that, at the end of kneading it, you have to open this and rub it a little bit on the dough.
And then you have to wait 30 minutes and it'll rise. And then we'll go to the next step. So,
let's do this! Musa. This is what the dough looks like after 30 minutes.
okay, so we're going to divide the dough into 3 different parts. So we rolled out the pizza dough and we put it in the pan with some olive oil and flour. So now we're gonna top it with pizza sauce and mozzarella cheese.
I made it like a heart-shaped pizza dough, and then it's going to be yummy.
And Musa made a bigger one.
And yeah.
This delicious pizza at degrees 425 at 12 minutes, and look how delicious it is. So what do you have to say about it?
It's yummy! So,
hope you enjoyed this video. If you
and
did,
enjoy your pizza!
if you did, please hit that thumbs up button and please
Share!
like and subscribe.